7 sources of the passive incomes that earned me $1,000 every single day, and how I've built them over the night. Right, it doesn't happen overnight, but it doesn't happen at all if you don't get started. So I'm going to be break down to the easiest and the simplest way to start to the earning passive incomes today, working from home, from the comfort of your own laptop. All you guys, welcome back. So in today's video we're going to be breaking down 7 streams of the passive incomes that I've built up over the past few years, right? Because I really didn't start being an entrepreneur until just a few years ago. And so if you see this and you're getting overwhelmed and you think, oh my gosh, there's no way I could ever make those, remember that I only been doing this for the couple of the years. And so anyone anywhere pressing the right keys on their keyboards can do whatever they want to become financially free. I'm going to teach you guys exactly how I was be able to do that and how you can replicate and do the same things following the series of the relatively simple steps. Number 7 is what's called a money market account. And now a lot of the people like dividends, stocks, a lot of the people like index funds, but I prefer money market accounts right now. And the reason that I do is because the number of this is the longest ever built run in the stocks market history, over 10 years number. To right, with the scares of the coronavirus and all of these things that happened, the stocks market is very volatile. And I don't like how much index funds and I don't like how much dividends stocks are actually changing, losing and gaining value. So I prefer right now high yield and money market account that earns somewhere between 1 or 2%. Now 1 or 2% is not going to completely change your life, but the more money that you have actually invested into, the more then it's going to make you over time, right? Even at just 1 or 2% of you have the hundreds of the $1,000 in a money market account, you can earn the passive $1 to $2,000 that comment over time, right? And I'm saying you should leave your money and money market account forever. No, absolutely not. But during time like this, when the economy is the 8 and there's a lot of the turmoil and volatility, I prefer money market account. And then once things actually settle down, or the stocks market drops by the enough for me to actually go back into it, I can reinvest into some of my main stocks that I prefer now. Which stocks do I interest in? Well, what I do is actually look at the big boys, are going to like to look at the top of the angel funds in the world, like the Citadel, like the Bridge the Water, like the Rainsers Technologies, like the Brainsys have it, and I look for the stocks that all of those different highest performance angel funds over decades have in common, and I buy those stocks, right? I will never prefer to know more than the Warren Buffett about the investing, so I prefer to just look what these angel funds have in common and buy those stocks myself. Number 6 is the affiliate marketing. Now, over the years, I've made the millions of the dollars with the affiliate marketing, but it didn't happen overnight, right? I've done it with the tools like the Google Count, Visual Launch, ClickFunnels. I've done it with the new tools and some of my own software. It's now the market magic, like the Zone base, like the shopping specific rights. But the thing is, the guys, most people affiliate marketing all wrong. People think that they should make affiliate marketing reviews of the software of or courses, but no one cares about the right. People care about themselves and how many money can make money. So the ways that I make most money with affiliate marketing is never, just as the base review. It's do product research on Amazon and then just using the tool, using my affiliate link, right? And so you can do the same things with tools like the Zoom Base and Shop Inspects and Marketer Magic, or the tools like the ClickFunnels or the Visual Launch or the Jungle Sort. Any of them work, but you have to understand how to do affiliate marketing the right way. And how to actually pattern with the people that have the proved track record, and you can see, right, we have paid over $1 million in the affiliate commissions, $1 million adjusted affiliate commissions just for the one of my digital courses, which is crazy. And so the people who understand what makes videos teaching people about the Facebook and or Amazon or any of these things that I've coursed on the, and they actually just link the affiliate link in the description on the YouTube, or they create blogs about the best Amazon courses, and then link my affiliate link. There's the made hundreds of the $1,000 some of my affiliate. I've literally bought the jeans in the affiliate commissions, and this is the possible, right? It might seem like the very discounted from the what's happened in your own life right now, but the people who are doing this, they build it up over the night. It doesn't happen overnight. They build incredibly and learn a little bit more and take daily actions. Success is no linear, it's exponential, right? You're feeling no results, but you are pushing and you are making the consistent actions, and then all of a sudden you explore, right? And that is the same things what happened with my YouTube channel, with my affiliate marketing commissions, and so many of my other businesses that never would happen if I hadn't of the continue to the push forward from the beginning to through all sorts of the objective numbers 5. Number 5 is digital products and a course, and you can see that we have made, 10 of millions of the dollars selling digital products and digital courses, because people want that people need a way to actually learn how to sell on the Amazon, or how to do Spotify, on how to make money with Facebook ads. Are these all type of the people out there who are going to say any courses or any products is the scam, and anybody who creates those products are the scam. And of course some people are gonna have more success, and some people are not just like the same people are going to work hard, and some people are going to not say. You have to understand that if you want to become an educator and you want to become the public figure, you have to be ready for what comes with that, right? Some people aren't going to work hard, and they're gonna to blame you for their lack of effort. And remember, who is louder, the person who is happy running successful business making millions of the dollars, or the person who failed because of their own lack of the effort? And they want to actually yell scam and tell you that you're going the worst person on the world, right? That's just the way it works. But if you want to actually genuinely find a fulfillment, and to help people, and you want to give people a way to financial freedom, and you actually know how to do those things yourself, and you're proven it, with your own strange and your own mentions, and maybe digital products or the digital courses, or creating the mastermind or the group coaching, or many different options be a good way to you to start earning some extra income on the side, and help someone, or the hardest of the people, or the thousand of the people, or who knows, maybe it actually might add up, and you might end up helping millions of the people. But the thing is, if you don't have the confidence in yourself, and you don't believe that you deserve it, or you don't believe that you can do it, then you're going to be right whatever you believe you can, or you believe you can't, you will be right. Easier way number 4 is the selling t-shirts and the merch, right? And this isn't the huge source of the income, but it's the fun one that I love actually doing myself. It's kind of the patience project, because seeing people like the Cody or Hannah out there wearing my humanity cell merch is really such a fun thing for me, which is why I linked the Employed Cell brand to my YouTube below in this video, and which is why I made unemployed sales camp for the people who actually believe in entrepreneurship movement, and want to wear the t-shirts that actually exemplify what type of the person they are. Right, I really honestly believe that I'm unemployable, right, and I'm the unemployable seller, and that's why I made the brand. It's a lot of the fun for me to actually do that. And the way that I originally started making it was just with the free YouTube videos that I was making anyways, right? Because a lot of the people saw the t-shirts I was wearing, and they were asking me where they could buy it, and I didn't have the way for them to buy it, so I set up the quick Spotify store. It took me for an hour to make the put the designs on that I had already made from my own t-shirts, and then I linked it into my YouTube channel. And when literally within an hour or two, we had already gotten our first official unemployed sales. Number 3 is the revenue, right? We made YouTube videos all the time like this one, and you beautiful people who watch this video help us actually to earn ad revenue that we continue to reinvest into the better equipment and collaborations, and new strategies, that techniques to make memory. And we actually made a video about how much we made on YouTube, which you can see right here. But the ad revenue alone in hundreds of the thousands of additional dollars every day, every single year, that we continue to reinvest into the better strategies, or the better habits and better ways for you to actually get closer to your financial goals. Number 2 is the software. Now, software is not something that you can just get immediately, but software was something that I was really interested by the people that I followed. Generally, they would start out as the digital courses creators, and then they would become mentors, and then they would start to add, give people financial advices. Then they would make a book, and then they would a software that supported their courses. And so, I'm the type of the person that I don't like to reinvent the well. If something already working right, why not come in, add to my own experience, my own passions, my own energy, and just caring more than other people about my students and about my viewers, and take all of the bundle it up and put into the software, right? And so that's what I did, and that's why I helped the fund, and I helped to create the ideas for the software like this, on the basis support Amazon sellers or creators, software called Marketer, Magic, then the supporters, all digital marketers and online businesses owners. And now I use these own tools in my own businesses, and I can't even imagine my businesses without it. And so what I would recommend you is to start online businesses. It can be amazing: Amazon, Spotify, the social media marketing, affiliate marketing, SEO, email marketing, anything, and then learn what works and what doesn't. That stocks are available, what is the bad about them, and what could be improved with them, and then take your own experience and create some type of the little tool just to get your feet wet with the software, if it's something that you are interested in, and usually that happens, right? But if you don't ever get started, you can never create anything. You took the Google first look, or the Amazon or the website first look, like the compared it. Now, this hundreds billions dollar compares, you have to remember that everyone and everything starts somewhere, but if you never start right, you can never actually become great, because remember, you don't have to be great to start, but you do have to start to be great. And for all of the people out there who are thinking to themselves, but Podric, I don't know how to code, how to I create software. Well, now with the global economy, you don't have to be the coder, right? You can hire very inexperienced, incredibly talented coders from the Philippines or from the all around the world, from Ukraine, from Russia, from the India, for the pennies on the dollar, to create software and apps and ideas what you have in your own mind from the websites like Upwork or Tap to you. And you can create things that actually materialize them into the really went. Otherwise, unless you are the engineer, you might not have been able to the last, but not least the number of the passive incomes stream that I have to this day. We will get into the second, but really quick comment down below if you thinking this video was far passive income. If we get 500 comments that say the passive income, then we will release a brand new course that I've never talked about either before in any other videos. So comment passive incomes down below to make sure you tap the like button so we can help to share this video with the more people. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, turn on notification bells so that you can be the first person to be notified every time we made brand new videos. So number one passive income stream for 2020 is e-commerce. E-commerce will always hold a special place in my heart, because e-commerce is that what took me from the 9 to 5 account to being able to do the things that I wanted to do in life, right? Well, it wasn't until Amazon FBA that I actually found success as an entrepreneur. I failed multiple times. I created sites called Top Engineers Oils and tried to rank it all to make money with Google AdSense. I created an app called Quiz Pixels, which was the video game quiz apps. I created a site called Eat, Sleep, Trick, Repeat, whatever, to take, block, and try to monetize that through affiliate marketing and throughout AdSense, and all of these things failed. But I don't like to say they failed, because they really isn't failure. The feedback I learned from each of those, the so-called failure, and I applied that I learned from my next venture until I started to figure out what worked and what didn't work, and what I was good at and what I wasn't. Then I finally found the Amazon FBA, and I applied all of that experience to Amazon, and that is when my life really changed. And so if you wanted to learn more about e-commerce, or how to make money online, or how to get closer to your financial goals, then you have to the brand new playlist that is coming to you in the next 3, 2, 1. See you there.